bienvenue. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to be making an awesome, super cool Valentine's butterfly lamp. Let's get started. First, I'll draw a butterfly. Let's take our white paper and fold it in half. Draw out a butterfly. Perfect. Now let's cut it out. Let's open our awesome butterfly. Whoa, it looks so pretty, guys. Now, let's first get the measurements for a bottle. Okay, there's our line. One over here. Guys, I love butterflies. They're so pretty. And they're pink, so they look even more beautiful. Pink is an awesome color. Let's keep on tracing. It's much easier to draw butterflies when you have a stencil to trace. Last one. Wait, before we cut them out, let's give them some antennas. Okay, now let's cut them out. Our lantern's gonna look so awesome, guys. So guys, we had a few issues with cutting the butterflies with scissors, but we went at it again and my parental helped me cut these butterflies using a blade. So now it looks much more better. Don't you guys agree? Now let's draw the antennas. Let's get a black marker. These markers are so cute because they have little smiley faces on them. Now it's the exciting part. We get to add the insides of the butterflies here to make the wings look more fancy. Let's add some glue. To the tips. Now let's just stick the tip to the butterfly. So this can still flap upwards. Wow, awesome. Let's give the rest of the butterflies fancy wings. And guys, just a reminder, so when you cut out the butterflies, ask your parent to use a blade. Do not use a blade yourself. You could get hurt really badly. Just to keep that in mind. Okay, now let's get our bottle and wrap it. Wow, it looks so pretty. Now let's get the glue. Put some on this end. Add a little in the spaces. A little here, the edge. Just add glue and open spaces. Okay. Now let's add it back onto our bottle. Wow guys, our lamp is starting to look so beautiful. It's taking shape so nicely. Beautiful. Now let's add this cool light. A bit more dark so you can see it better. It's so awesome! Now we just need to add the string. We're gonna punch 2 holes. And 2 holes. Perfect. Now let's get our string. And guys, don't waste the string. We only need a little amount. Let's put it through the holes. And guys, tie a double knot so it will stay put. Got tangled around the butterfly. Wow, it looks so cool, guys. Let's add the lighting again. And voila. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Over, bye, and shine bright.